Let me go back to vitamin water, right? So I've seen some real good gaming rigs here sometimes. He created a best-selling video game. And how this game came about, when you read the book, you'll be able to read interviews. So at the time in hip hop, people were just excited to be a part of Grand Theft Auto. 50 didn't want to be a part of Grand Theft Auto. He said, I wanted to talk to them. I didn't like the conversation. I wanted mine, right? I wanted ownership. I wanted equity. Now, vitamin water wouldn't have been successful without this gamification, right? And we're talking gamification in 2005, 2006. You weren't doing in-app purchases in 2005, 2006, right? So here's this hip-hop artist saying, well, what if I introduce people to Formula 50 vitamin water, and then you need to find vitamin water to extend your health levels by 10%. So what are people doing? In the game, that's a best-selling video game that generated over $120 million. You're looking for vitamin water, right? You're looking for vitamin water. So you're going through the game trying to find vitamin water because every bottle of vitamin water increases your health by 10%. Never seen before. Here you have it in a video game. He also used that to promote his clothing lines and other ventures, as you can see.